So how do you install the Windows 11 using a bootable USB flash drive? So at first you need to create a bootable USB flash drive, and then after you're going to enter the BIOS in your PC. Once you enter the BIOS, so you can check for it on Google. So different brand has a different function key. So I'm using Lenovo. Restart the PC and continuously press the F1 key, help you enter the BIOS. You're gonna choose the boot system boot capability as a UEFI. If it is a legacy, you're gonna choose UEFI. If it is already UEFI, you don't have to do anything. Next thing, it's a boot priority. The somewhere in this BIOS setting also, you'll see the boot priority. The first boot device, you can choose it as a USB bootable drive. So for my PC, it's a F12 key in order to enter into the boot menu option. So different PC has a different function. Some PC you just restart it and press the escape key continuously. You can enter the boot menu. So in some PC, here over in the somewhere you're gonna see in the different tab, different PC has a different arrangement. In advanced or somewhere you're gonna see the boot priority. The first boot priority you can choose as a USB flash drive. So now I'm going to save it. So in order to save, you can see it's F10 to save and exit. So whichever key help you to save and exit, you can save and exit it. Now I'm going to press the F12 key. So for this PC, F12 key seriously works. So I forgot to insert the bootable USB flash drive. So do not do this mistake. Insert your bootable USB flash drive. So it's not detecting. So I should have inserted it in the beginning itself. So I'm going to escape it, and again I'm going to press the F12 key. So I'll have to restart the PC again. So I'm restarting the PC again and pressing the F12 key. You can see now it is recognizing. I'm going to boot it from my USB bootable pen drive. I can see setup is starting, so it might take some time. You're going to see this. You can choose the language and all. Click on next and then click on install now. So setup is starting now. So if it can ask you for any kinds of license key, so you must have purchased a license key. So enter the license key, or you can just visit the Microsoft.com website and you can get the general license key and you enter the license key. So my PC supports the Pro version. So I'm just going to install the Pro version. So Windows 11 Pro. After selecting it, you're going to click on next. It's going to ask you to accept it. So you can choose any operating system, whatever license you have purchased. Since I have the licensed PC for the Pro version, I choose the Pro version. So depending upon your PC, whichever license key you have purchased, you're going to choose that. So I'm going to select any one of the drive where you would like to install. So it's 99.4 GB. I'm going to install over here in this drive. So at first I'm going to just format it. Now I'll choose the drive and then click on next. Now it is copying the file. So completing this process gonna take some time. So you can just walk around and come. So during the installation process, your PC might restart for the several times. Now just a moment. Okay, finally, here you have your Windows 11 ready.